Lots of folks start the new year by making promises to eat more veggies and to cut down on carbs. So today, we're going to show you how you can transform some of your favorite veggies into what some call fake-out foods. For those of you who love spaghetti but still want to fit into your skinny jeans, try making noodles out of zucchini or any other veggies. There's a bunch of gizmos and gadgets on the market that will help you do just that. These here are hand-operated. You simply insert your veggie, give it a few twists and turns, and voila, you end up with curly vegetable noodles. And there are even electric models and ones that attach to our stand mixers for when we're doing a bunch. This one turns sweet potatoes into what looks like a pile of silly string in just seconds. We took these a bit further by creating a lighter version of pad thai noodles, replacing traditional noodles with curly sweet potatoes. To get the recipe for our sweet potato pad thai, which is nutty delicious, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a spiralicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.